Today, we will delve into the lives of numerous bears in the wild. This is Wee Bears. Before we become fully immersed in the lives of these amazing creatures, we must first learn more about them. Let us now jump into the world of the Wee Paddington Bears. This is one of many of the Wee Paddington Bears. This is Sir Paddington Tamlin Goggin Bear III of Coppenburg. Like many Wee Paddington Bears, he spends most of his time eating the leaves of the guacaca bush, only known to be found in Tehulu. Pronounced in the native language of Squahala as leaf. It is said that the Wee Paddington Bear will eat up to 200 kilograms of leaf per year. Although the squacaca leaf is typically found all around the tree, some bears dare venture towards the top and look for the most scrumptious, ripe leaves. But for some bears, it doesn't go too well. In the summertime, the Wee Paddington Bear is in search of its mate, the female chastenberry bear. But for some, there's competition. The Wee Paddington Bear sees its rival, the armored bear. And the battle for the mate begins. The battle has commenced. And the battle is over. He has won the heart of his mate. Fascinating fact about the Wee Paddington Bear. If one were to ever interact with the Wee Paddington Bear, it would indeed not give a damn.